Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty on Steam. First, you'll need to install the Steam client on your computer. This free application is essential for accessing the platform. Once installed, either create a new Steam account or log in if you already have one. Next, navigate to the Steam store and search for your desired Call of Duty game. With many titles available, you can choose the one that best suits your interests. After purchasing, the download will begin, getting you ready for action. After purchasing, head over to your Steam library, where all your games are listed. Find your Call of Duty title and click the prominent Install button. Be prepared for a significant download. These games often require over 100 gigabytes of free storage space on your hard drive. Once the download and installation are complete, the Install button will change to Play. Simply click Play to launch your game and dive into the action. Once in the game, take some time to optimize your experience. Head into the Settings menu to adjust graphics for the best balance of visual quality and performance on your specific computer. You can also customize your control scheme, whether you prefer keyboard and mouse or a controller, to match your personal playstyle. Explore the diverse game modes, from thrilling multiplayer battles to engaging single-player campaigns, and easily connect with friends using Steam's built-in social tools. If you encounter any issues, there are several resources available. First, check the game's community forums on Steam. Many common problems have already been discussed and solved there. You can also verify the integrity of your game files through Steam's client options, which can fix corrupted data. For persistent technical difficulties, don't hesitate to contact Steam support. Finally, engage with the vibrant Call of Duty community to share tips, find teammates, and enhance your overall gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.